1, 2, 3.
Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a GFX, and also please be aware that I don't know how to add like the gloss texture or export it, so I'm sorry about that, but I know how to make one, so it's pretty simple. So you're going to go into Roblox Studio and also only laptop. So you're going to go into Roblox Studio, log into your account and click all templates. Then you're going to find all of these templates and you're going to pick the base plate. So you're just going to click on it like I did and let it load. So as you can see, all of this stuff may look a little bit confusing, but I will be telling you guys what to do. So now we are on our little place. You might are thinking, now what do I do? I'm so confused. So what you need to do is, you're going to import in your character first, because all the GFX always have their character. So how to do that is, you're going to click toolbox, this little option right here, because it won't be here. So you're going to click on toolbox, then it will be right here. Then you need to click on this little so now you've done that. Now you're thinking, what do we do next? So you see these 4 little tabs. You're going to go to this little last one, which is right under editor and terrain. So you're going to click on it and there'll be an option right here saying load character. Click on it. There'll be an option for this and you're going to click and add a user name. So I'm going to pick Fairy Jewel. So this is Fairy Jewel's avatar. She's super aesthetic, so you should follow her. Take off spawn at origin and spawn at R15. So now we have Fairy Jewel in our place. So now if you want to rotate, go into the home section and click rotate. You see this yellow one? You need to move it to make her like front, like that. Now once you're done with that, just change it to select. Now we need to go into toolbox again and delete what we were searching, put it back to models, click this little settings option which is right next to the search bar and search their username. So I am using Fairy Jewel once again because she has made many cute backgrounds. So now once you've written their username, you're going to click apply. So search results by Fairy Jewel. She has made many cute rooms and stuff. So for her own, let's take at least 2 options because these are all super duper cute. Oh, that's so pretty. So what is going on? I brought 2 of them in. So we have the first option here, which is a super cute. So I think I'm going to just stick with this one. And now you're gonna left click and drag your character with the mouse to your area. And if you want, you can even like move their hands and stuff, I think, by clicking move. I'm not pretty sure about it, but I think you can, or maybe not, because I don't really know. So let's check. Yeah, you can't, I guess. I really don't know. Just look at how cute this is looking. Like, how can anybody say this is not cute? So let's go to model and let's click transform, I guess. I'm not that good with GFX, so please don't expect me to be like, oh my god, she definitely knows what GFX is. I'm not that good at GFX, okay? If you want to make your character fly, you can do that. If you want a sky castle. So yeah, this is how it looks. And now if you're saying like the base plate is still there, it's gonna ruin the whole thing. So now in our workspace area, we have all of this. And we're going to click on base plate. Right click. And click delete. This is how you make a GFX, but I currently don't know how to save it yet. So I just make these for fun and then delete them. So yeah. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. And also, if you don't know like any other people except this person, Virgil, you can search on YouTube. You can search on YouTube creators who have made backgrounds for GFX. And then like if they have an aesthetic avatar like Virgil, you can take their avatar if you want, or you can add your own aesthetic avatar. And yeah, I just used Virgil's because my avatar is with only free Robux stuff, like no Robux. So yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful. I really hope. And I love you all so much. Make sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications. And bye guys.